To question number 27, we first have to find the gradient 4 minus 3 over 1 minus 0. That's 1 over 1, that's 1. So you now use y is equal to mx plus c. So y is 3, x is 0. We find c is 3. So y is equal to s plus 3. That's option A. 28, find the gradient of the line which joins that 2 points. So y25 minus 3 over x2 next 2 minus 4. So that will be 5 plus 3, 8 out of next 6. Reduce that, you get the 4 out of 3. 29, multiply that. So we take the first one, 2a times everything in the second one. Next b times everything in the second one. So 2a times q is 2aq. 2a times 4b is next 8ab. Next b times q, next b times the 4b, that's 4b squared. And that is also option C. 30, factorize. So the first two y is common, the last two 8 is common. So you factor out y, you have x minus 3. Then you factor out 8, you have x minus 3. Now x minus 3 is common, you factor it out, you have y, you have 8. And that's option A. 31. What is the value of the reflex angle? Reflex angle is this. So the angle plus its reflex is equal to 360. So the angle is 360 minus 65, 295. 32. 8.157 digit 7 is 1,000. Entire number multiplied by 100. So times 100 is 815.7. So the 7 is the 10th. That's it. 32, 33. A production company gives 6% commission towards sales. A sales girl made sales of 560. So that's 6% of 560. 0 goes off. 6 times that is 336 out of 10. You go back once. 33.60. That's A. QM is equal to QR. So it means that if you step at M and R and draw this arc, you are bisecting the angle MQR, which is 90, and that's 45. The cube has side 6.5. Find the total surface area of the cube. So 6L squared. 6 times 6.5 times 6.5. So 65 over 10. 65 over 10. So I use 2 here 3, 2 here 5, 5 here 1, 5 here 13, 39 times 65 out of 10. You have 2535 out of 10. You go back once. 253.5. And that is option D. Now 36. 36. Akutu has 13 CDs. He gave each of his 16 friends 45 pesos. 45 pesos is 0.45 times 16. So 45 over 100 times 16. 5 here 9, 5 here 20, 2 here 10, 2 here 8, 72 out of 10, 7.2, which is 7 CD 20 pesos. Then that's from the 13 CDs. So 5 CDs 80 pesos is the change. 37. Simplify that. So 50. So we take a perfect square that can divide 50 to the remainder, that's 25. Same as 18, that's 9. So that's root 25 times root 2. Root 25 is 5, so 5 root 2 minus 3 root 2. Root 9 is 3, 3 root 2. Now 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2 is 0. So the answer is 5 root 2. Okay, 38. SNWN is an enlargement of this. So that's the image. So SN is 8. Now I need SR to find it. SR is SN plus NR. 8 plus 4 is 12. So that's 8 out of 12 for the scale factor. Because to find the scale factor, use the image length out of the corresponding object length. So 4 divides the 8, 2, 4 divides the 12, 3, and that ends it. 39. The point P5 and 1 is first reflected in the x-axis. So x-axis reflection, y is negative. So that's 5, negative, negative 1. That's 5, 1. Now it's further reflected in the line y equals x. Y equals x means just you turn them. So 1, 5 is the answer, and that is not in the option. So that's a bonus. Question 40. Rearrange them if you want to find the median. 3, 3.7, 3.8, 4, 4, 4.5, 4.5, 4.5. So median, half of the 8 numbers, and that's fourth, and then fifth. So the fourth from the rearranges 4 and 4. You add them and divide by 2, and that makes your median to become 4.